Hi everybody, my name is José Fernando Zapata and I'm going to talk a little bit about the physical geography of my city, Medellín. Medellín is the second most important city in Colombia and it is the capital of the department of Antioquia. The city is located in the center of the Aburrá Valley in the Central Andes and it is crossed from south to north by the Medellín River. The coordinates of Medellín are 6 degrees 13 minutes 1 second north and 75 degrees 34 minutes and 1 second west. Its surface expands to an area of almost 382 square kilometers. 105 square kilometers of this area belong to urban land and 270 square kilometers to rural land, and 5.2 square kilometers to land for expansion. It is at an altitude of 1,479 meters over the sea level. The highest point of Medellín is Pan de Azúcar Hill, with an altitude of 2,133 meters over the sea level. Medellín limits to the north with the municipalities of Bello, Copacabana and San Jerónimo. It limits to the south with Envigado, Itagüí and La Estrella. To the west with the municipalities of Ebejico and Heliconia, and finally to the east with Guarne and Rio Negro. As the teachers have been teaching us since primary school, the sun rises in the east and hides by the west. But where is this? The east of Medellín can be located by the village of Santa Elena. Towards that direction we can see the sunrise, which at this time of the year occurs on average at 5:57 am. And the west of Medellín can be located by the district of Alta Vista. Towards that direction you can see the sunset, which at this time of year occurs on average at 6:13 p.m. The city of Medellín is characterized by being a mountainous region and with a great variety of geographical accidents, such as brooks and hills. These are some of them, which highlight the physical geography of the city. The Medellín River crosses the city from south to north, and it is considered as the natural integrating axis of Medellín. It is born in the Alto de San Miguel at an altitude of 3,100 meters above the sea level in the municipality of Caldas, at the south of the Aburrá Valley, and ends in the Rio Grande, which together form the Porce River, and after a long journey it flows into the Caribbean Sea. The river has a length of 105 kilometers and crosses 10 municipalities of the department of Antioquia. Historically, the city's development has been closely linked to its hydraulic system, one of the region's assets. 54 brooks come down to the mountains surrounding the valley and flow into the Medellín River. There are 2 brooks near my house. There are Brook La Picacha and Alta Vista Brook. La Picacha Brook is born at 2440 meters above the sea level in the district of Alta Vista and flows into the Medellín River after crossing the sectors of Alta Vista, Belén and Laureles. It has a length of 10.7 kilometers. The Alta Vista Brook is the most important brook of the homonymous district. It is born at 1720 meters above the sea level with a length of 7.3 kilometers. It crosses Alta Vista and Belén to flow into the Medellín River on the south side of the Nutibara Hill. Medellín has 7 tutelary hills. In this case, I am going to talk about 2 of them, which are the closest to my location. There are the Nutibara Hill and the Tres Cruces Hill. The Nutibara Hill is a small mountainous formation located in the middle of the urban area of Medellín, on the western bank of the Medellín River. It has an altitude of 80 meters above the city level. and its top we can find the Pueblito Paisa, which is an allegory to the traditional Paisa culture. Tres Cruces Hill is one of the 7 hills of Medellín. It starts from an altitude of 1,600 meters above the sea level to 1935 meters. A large number of the city's population ascend daily to the hill for healthy and recreational activities. It is located in the district of Alta Vista. Its name is due to the 3 metallic crosses at the top of the hill, built as a symbol of the 3 crosses of the Calvary. Well, let's talk about the vegetation and agriculture of Medellín. In the city of Medellín, we can find a lot of species of beautiful flowers, mostly from Santa Elena. Corn is also grown in Medellín. In the urban zone of Medellín, a campaign has been carried out to promote the planting of hydroponic crops in the terraces of the houses of Medellín, in which some type of vegetables can be planted, such as lettuce, cabbage, tomato. We can also find strawberry and some aromatic herbs. Medellín is characterized by a temperate and highly variable climate, with frequent rains throughout the year. Due to the frequency of rain and clouds, the city has a rate of insolation that is not very high, with 1892 hours of sunshine per year. Medellín has an average temperature of 24 degrees. The hottest month is July, with an average maximum temperature of 28.3 degrees, while October, the coldest month, has an average maximum temperature of 26.8 degrees. In the beginning, the city of Medellín developed on the eastern side of the Medellín River, and it was not until the construction of the Guayaquil Bridge around 1879 that the 2 banks were united. In 1826, the capital of Antioquia was moved from Santa Fe de Antioquia to Medellín, which made the city and the Aburrá Valley a much more attractive territory for foreigners due to the business world it became. Due to the need for study of the sources of employment that arose from the new political situation and from the fact that this had become the main economic center of the region. The population of the city has shown a great increase over the years, since in 1951 they were only a little more than 318,000 inhabitants. On the other hand, today we are almost 3 million people. With this image, you can see the evolution of what Medellín is today. Okay guys, that's everything for today. Thank you so much for listening to me. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. And bye!